Let's try again, guys. Oh my God. Ew! Ew! Oh my God. I can't believe it. Oh, ina-under na nakukuhaan. Ew, guys. Oh, kita niyan. Hello guys, good evening. So, isa ka ba sa mga user nito? Yung Airpick. Yan, may right na po siya. Maganda po ito, pero may mas maganda pa dito guys. So, let's unbox this one. Airpick din siya, pero meron na po siyang camera. So, let's open. Yan. Ganito po yung kanyang packaging. Wireless visual Airpick. So, let's open guys. So, ganyan po yung laman niya. Meron siyang isang Airpick. Tsaka, charger na Type-C. And then, meron din siyang ganito guys. At meron siyang manual. So, ganyan guys. So, let's try this. This is the high-tech version of this, no? Kasi meron na po siyang camera. So, let's open. So, ganyan yung kanyang mukha guys. And then dito is meron siyang camera. Sa pag-on, meron siyang power mode dito. And then dito is recharge. Kung mag-charge ka, dito mo lang yan. So, ganyan guys. So, paano ba ito gagamitin? First daw is, scan nyo lang po itong QR code na nasa manual. So, scan po natin. Let us scan lang po natin. And then, Android. Let's choose now. Android Google. Then, let's install this. Ayan na guys. And then, open. And then, click lang po natin itong let us click the power button. Ayan below. And then, i-click din po ito. Tapos, ay this one. So, yan, connected na po tayo. And then, balik tayo sa apps natin. This one. Click po ito. So, ayan na guys. Nakikita niyo ba yan guys? So, yan. Amo yan. So, yan. Ganyan na, diba? Diba, kita niyo? Yan. So, let's try. Let us try guys. Oh, kita niyo yan. So, let's try. Eh, ganyan yung. Ew! Yuck! Yuck guys, ganyan yung. Yuck! Yuck! Let's try again guys. Oh my God! Ew! Ew! Oh my God! I can't believe it. Oh, ina-under na nakukuhaan. Ew guys! Oh, kita niyo yan guys? May camera on siya guys. Ew! Ha? Kita niyo yan guys? Ew! Kita niyo yan guys? Yan yung mukha ng aking. Okay. Airwax. Ew. Oh. Ew. So, sa mga bibili, click the yellow basket sa baba. Kitang-kita talaga yung mga tinatago natin dito. Kitang-kita po talaga sa CCTV nito. So, ayan guys. Bye-bye!